This camera doesn't really pick up the color, but I think I'm liking the green on this pile. So that will kind of give you an idea of what the people will see. The skulls show up on the green, the black not so much, that's painted on the foam. But it stands out pretty good. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. I like it. So I'll get you guys a tutorial on this, and you guys are looking at that, wanting a tutorial on how I did that. So I'll be sure to get one out in a couple of days. This is the witch's shack. So up there in the middle of the roof is where I do the singing pumpkins. They'll be up there, and then I have hidden behind this 4x4 sign, there's a shelf there that holds the projector. I'll throw some corn stalks up there and it will keep it hidden. So yeah, these are the green floodlights that come from Banggood. I think they were like 7 something a piece, so a great deal on those. And they're pretty bright, they work. I'm digging them.